Hey guys, today we've got a sponsored video for you from Idea Electronics. Today we're going to be taking a look at their HP 10.1-inch Wi-Fi photo frame. This digital photo frame is $149.99 on Amazon and is available for Prime shipping as well. This will play your photos, videos, and even music, and everything can be controlled from your phone. On the front here, you have this little HP button here. That acts as your home button, so every time you press that, it will take you back to your main screen. On the back, you have a volume rocker and your power button. And then here you have your power port, a USB port, an SD card slot, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. These grills on the back here, those are actually where the speakers are. There's one on each side for a stereo system, but you can also plug in speaker systems into the headphone jack, so you can hook up some better speakers if you're using this to control your music. This screen has a 1280 by 800p resolution. I'll use the touchscreen display to navigate to some of my pictures here. I just have uploaded some of the meals that I've made within the past few days that I'm storing on the 8 GB of internal memory here. Here's a nice picture of a banana. But I'll open up some of the options here and you can see we can rotate the picture. You can also scale it to zoom in a little bit. And of course you've got a manual zoom here. And then I just hit play and it'll cycle through my photos. It also has some cool transitions that it shows in between each photo. My favorite feature is that I can upload pictures to a cloud account here, and then it'll automatically sync to my picture frame. This is actually a really good feature if you want to give this picture frame to your grandma or something, and then everyone in the family can have an account. And if you go on vacation, like if you go on a Carnival cruise line and you want to upload your vacation photos, you can put those to the cloud and then they'll automatically show up on your grandma's digital photo frame. So like I said, this is $149.99 on Amazon. It's available for Prime shipping. You can get a link in the description down below. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for Idea Electronics for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys next time.